Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to apply a white fade-in or fade-out effect using CapCut on your PC. Begin by placing your footage onto the timeline and adjusting the clip's length as required. Navigate to the library section and select the white background. For a fade-out, place this at the end of your timeline. For a fade-in, position it at the start. Modify the white background's duration to match the desired length of your transition. To create the fade-out, head to the Video tab and locate the blend settings. Place a keyframe at the start of the white clip with opacity at 0%. Move to the end of the clip and add a second keyframe, increasing the opacity to 100%. Preview your work to see the white fade-out. You can tweak the keyframes or duration to refine the look. For a fade-in effect, place the white background at the beginning of your video. Under the blend mode, set an initial keyframe with 100% opacity. Finally, go to the end of that clip and set another keyframe at 0% opacity.